Hey guys, it's Dawn Beltrami from Wasdale Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is gorgeous. It's located at 1029B Herkimer Street. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,479 square feet. They are asking $649,900. It's a gorgeous home in that New Orleans style. They're having an open house this Sunday from 1 to 3, and it's being brought to you by Alexander McCauley from Keller Williams. Let's walk this house. So you come into this beautiful home. I love these 2-inch old style wood floors. I love the whole look that gives the overall house. It really gives you that old world feel. Love the built-ins. This is just a great overall space. You come in, you step up into this breakfast dining area, and then you have the open concept kitchen that's light and bright, white cabinets, black granite countertops, 4-burner cooktop with the downdraft. Just an overall great open space, perfect for entertaining. And then as you look down the hallway from the kitchen, you have the stairs going down to the secondary bedrooms, a linen closet here in front of you. You walk into this master, large master, tons of light. You have the first closet here inside the master bedroom. You have the continuous of the wood floors, which is absolutely beautiful. You have this large master bathroom, double sinks, walk-in shower, garden soaker tub, and then you come into the secondary closet, which has these gorgeous built-ins. Just a wonderful space. So you can either come down the stairs to the secondary bedrooms, or you can come through the garage. Here you have a office area, and you have the concrete flooring here, which makes it really nice when you come in from the pool to not ruin your wood floors. You have your first bedroom, nice sized bedroom, and then you have the Hollywood bathroom with the bathtub shower combo, single sink, and you walk into the secondary bedroom, which is now being used as an exercise weight room. And then the bonus to this property is you have a pool in your backyard. It's pretty rare for this lot size to have a pool. What a fantastic way to enjoy the Heights and enjoy Houston during the summer. So hey guys, what did you think? I love the style of this home. I love this New Orleans vibe that you walk into the top floor, you have the master, all your living space on the first, and then you walk back down into the secondary rooms. Love that, it's really different. Make sure you come out and check it out this Sunday from 1 to 3 during Alexander's open house. Also, don't forget the interactive map below that'll show you this house and all additional homes in the Heights that are having open houses. And if you'd like to see this house or any additional home, my information is at the end of this video. I'd be more than happy to show you the home, and I will see you next week at the Showcase Home of the Week.